Flying for me is one of the most freeing and exhilarating experiences that I've ever had. It takes a world that seems so large and makes it incredibly smaller, where you can be anywhere you want to go within 24 hours. When I made the decision to attend Line Aviation, I was looking for a program that had structure, that had integrity, that had values in their flight training.
Blue Line literally exists because other flight schools didn't do a good job when I went through my training, and I got out of that and decided that we would start something different and better. So we focus on accelerated flight training that's done safely, it's well managed, and we work on delivering results for our students.
Blue Line has an accelerated program and is the fastest in the nation. I've been flying for 3 years now, and I really enjoy the freedom flying gives me. At Blue Line, the fleet is incredible. The airplanes are equipped with new technology, and safety is the #1 priority.
From when I was a very little boy, I grew up in the airline industry, and being around airplanes was one of those things that I kind of always got sucked into. Be it private aviation, commercial aviation, you name it, it's my passion and what I love to be around. It's a lot of work, it's very hard, but if you're dedicated and you have enough passion, the sky is the limit.
I stumbled across Blue Line and gave them a call, and 3 days later I decided I was going to come here. It didn't take much. Before you even walk in, they're going to give you your King schools, and that's going to be huge for getting your writtens taken care of. That's going to be huge in staying ahead.
It's like coming home every time you go to school, knowing that I was going to leave a career where I was making really good money, and I didn't want to gamble with my future. The daily routine of training here at Blue Line Aviation is incredibly similar to the training that I received at Air Wisconsin, which is where I'm currently employed as a first officer. The long days of studying and preparing yourself for what's to come next really made my transition to the airline world significantly easier. There's a huge need for pilots in the industry right now.
A big part of learning to fly is having the facilities to do so. We have a large fleet of aircraft, big facility, large staff, and a new diamond simulator to help our students get through the program efficiently. So everything that we use is modern and prepares the student well for an airline career where they're going to be flying modern jets. We have full financing available for our students so they can finance all of their costs, their flying, their housing, their test fees, and everything into the program.
From the private license to your instruments, your commercial, your instructor, which includes your multi-engine instructor as well as your instrument instructor, everything to get you through the program in order to get you to your future job, either in the airlines or the corporate aviation world, whatever your dream is. We offer all the ratings that are necessary to get there.
Every day, they have students that are just continually passing check rides, moving forward in the process, and you could actually follow one student's journey all the way through the program. That to me was the biggest selling point.
I love the airline industry and the people you meet, and I get to have a really awesome career, in a industry that doesn't have very many female pilots.
We look at what we do here as not just providing training for students to get them through a single test, but we're changing generations worth of pilots and impacting billions of people through our reach.
Our program helps students pursue their dreams, and it feels good as an instructor knowing that.